Hundreds of Shopware stores already use TAGGRS to improve their tracking. With our Shopware data layer extension, you can set up a data layer in just a few minutes. This ensures that all relevant event data is available in your Google Tag Manager container without writing any custom code. I'm Keurentjes from TAGGRS, and in this video I will walk you through the exact steps to install and configure the extension in Shopware 6. I'll also show you how to test it in Google Tag Manager so you can exactly see how the event data flows into your container. Let's dive in. Without the proper data layer, events like add to cart or purchase aren't sent correctly to Google Tag Manager. This means that you can't forward them to platforms like Google Ads or Meta, and these conversions won't be measured correctly. And this extension solves that. So after you purchase the extension, log into your Shopware 6 admin environment, and on the left you will go to Extensions, search for My Extensions, and here you will need to install the extension. And once you've installed it, you click on Configure, and now we're gonna configure the extension. First of all, you need to choose on which sales channels you want to add the data layer to. This checkbox is to activate the extension, and then you need to add your Google Tag Manager ID, and this you can find in your web container. So go to your Google Tag Manager web container, copy this Google Tag Manager ID, go back to your store and paste it right here. If you want to use the TAGGRS Enhanced tracking script, which helps defend against ad blockers and extend cookie lifetimes, you can add your subdomain right here. And if not, leave this field empty. And yeah, more details can be found on taggers.io about the enhanced tracking script. So in this case, we're gonna add the subdomain right here, which you can find in your TAGGRS dashboard. Go to your product, go to settings, and here you will find your subdomain. I've added the subdomain, and if you want to forward customer data for enhanced conversions, check the box to enable this option. Then press on save, and your data layer extension is activated. And now I'm going to show you how it looks in practice. So go to Google Tag Manager web container, click on preview mode, add your website URL right here. The website will pop up, and as you can see, it's connected. Go to the store and make sure you add an event like add to cart, and then we go back to the preview mode, search for the event, go to data layer. If you see the event data appear correctly, your setup is working and you're ready to publish. So that's it. You've successfully installed the TAGGRS Shopware data layer extension.